Hello and welcome to Eloquens.com. Today I will show you the Your Channel Followers section for authors. Start by hovering your mouse over the channel icon and then going down to select Your Followers. Here you can see your channel's followers. You can select the drop-down box to view them in order of your top followers, your most recent followers, or your followers in order as they are most popular on Eloquens. This feature is a great way for authors to interact with their users. You can select the icon of each user to access their channel or send them a private message. You can use this to introduce yourself to them, to offer them some help if they have any questions, to offer them some more information about yourself or your content, or simply to network with them. If you go back to your followers page, you can scroll down and see the Invite to Your Network section. This is where you can directly invite your email contacts to follow you on Eloquens. Simply type in the email address here that you want to invite, or you could upload a CSV file containing the desired addresses. Once you have entered them, you can select one of the three options below of how you would like to invite your contacts. This will choose the type of email notification that they will receive inviting them to your network. Once you have selected an option, select the Send Invitations button to send out your emails automatically. As an author on Eloquens, use this feature to check out your pre-existing followers or to invite contacts to your channel to increase your channel's performance.